Mayor Adams pulls Randy Mastro's nomination for the top lawyer job. It's Wednesday, September 11th, and this is your New York Daily News. Wednesday's forecast calls for mostly sunny skies with a high near 80 and a low near 63. Before today's top story, lawyers for Mayor Adams have told the court they will seek to have the sexual assault lawsuit against the mayor dismissed after the mayor's accuser, Lorna Beach Mathura, missed a deposition that had been scheduled for September 6th. In the nearly 10 months since plaintiff initiated this lawsuit, she has refused to appear for her deposition on 4 separate occasions, and each time without any justification under the law, wrote lawyer Alex Spiro in a court filing Monday. Beach Mathura most recently skipped a deposition set for September 6th, with no prior warning and no explanation given since, according to the lawyer, who called it only the latest episode in a months-long pattern of plaintiff's willful delay and frustration of the discovery process. Beach Mathura and her attorneys had rejected previous potential dates for the deposition in May, July, and August, saying they needed to review more materials before doing the deposition. If the court cannot dismiss the complaint, Spiro wrote, the defendants should be awarded attorney's fees for preparing for the deposition and making the associated court filings. Find the latest on this story and more right now at nydailynews.com. Randy Mastro, Mayor Adams' controversial corporation counsel nominee, removed his name from consideration for the city's government's top lawyer post late Tuesday and blasted the city council for subjecting him to a confirmation hearing he called anything but fair. Mastro, a litigator and one-time top deputy to Mayor Rudy Giuliani, who has a record of championing conservative causes in court, affirmed he's dropping his corporation counsel bid in a letter to the mayor issued days before the council was to vote on his nomination Thursday. In the letter, a copy of which was obtained by the Daily News, Mastro squarely laid the blame for his unsuccessful nomination on Democratic council members. He pointed a finger at Speaker Adrienne Adams in particular for overseeing his grueling confirmation hearing August 27th. Speaker Adams has now made clear by the way she permitted the council to conduct its hearing on my nomination that she intends to deny you the nominee of your choice, Mastro wrote to the mayor. New Yorkers have a right to expect more from their elected officials, Mastro continued, but unfortunately, as much as I respect the city council's role and looked forward to representing it with the same professionalism and responsiveness as the rest of city government, I will apparently be denied that opportunity based on a hearing that was anything but fair. In a statement, the mayor confirmed he's heeding Mastro's wishes to pull his nomination. He also echoed Mastro's sentiment, calling it unfortunate that politics has seeped into this process and, as a result, will deprive New Yorkers of one of the most qualified candidates for this office our city has ever seen. Julia Agos, a spokeswoman for Speaker Adams, panned Mastro's letter and said it confirmed the concerns many council members had about him. While we are glad to see the unnecessary conflict and divisiveness that Randy Mastro's nomination represented come to an end, his withdrawal letter demonstrates why so many lacked trust that he would be a suitable lawyer for all city officials, rather than just for the mayor, Agos said. The withdrawal marks an ignominious end to a months-long effort by the mayor to convince the council to confirm Mastro as the next corporation counsel, a role that comes with overseeing the city law department and representing the mayor and other city employees in various matters. The post is one of the only commissioner-level ones the mayor must secure council consent for before making a hire. It first emerged in April that the mayor was considering nominating Mastro amid revelations Sylvia Hines Radix, his first corporation counsel, was about to resign after getting into disagreements with top members of his administration over sensitive legal issues. The disagreements included Hines Radix expressing reservations about having city law department attorneys defend Adams and mayoral advisor Tim Pearson in civil lawsuits accusing them of sexual misconduct, according to sources and published reports. Democratic council members were skeptical of Mastro from the beginning. Dozens of them vowed, even before Adams formally nominated Mastro, to vote to block him should he be picked, citing his record of serving as one of Giuliani's top lieutenants and representing fossil fuel interests, landlords, and major corporations as a white-shoe attorney. Despite the council headwinds, Adams moved ahead with formally nominating Mastro in July. Then, last month, Mastro underwent his grueling, nearly 12-hour confirmation hearing, where council member after council member blasted his litigation record and argued he wasn't fit for the job. A mayoral spokeswoman declined to immediately say who he's going to nominate for the corporation counsel job. Muriel Good-Trufant, a 30-year veteran of the law department, is currently serving as corporation counsel in an acting capacity. For more on this story and for the latest in New York City politics, visit nydailynews.com and follow us on social media at nydailynews. Thanks for listening. My name is Imran Sheikh.
Spoken Layer.